Hello. As this as this beautiful night comes to an end, I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much everyone sa inyong pagpunta sa aking 18th birthday. Your presence truly means so much to me. I'm really happy and grateful to see all of you here celebrating this very special day with me. To my family, especially to my mama and papa,
Ayusin mo.
thank you for your unconditional love, guidance, and for all of the sacrifice you made for me. Kayo po ang aking inspirasyon at gabay at hindi ko po mararating ang lahat ng ito kung wala kayo. Sa mga kaibigan ko po, thank you for the laughter, the memories, and